Hey, it's 123 Airsoft King with another Airsoft collection update. Okay, first I have my Crossman S53P shotgun. I'm not really sure. Next you have my MP5. Next is MP5 H&K. Next is the M4, well, originally called the Pulse R73. Next is the Cybergun FAMAS spring, and then is my electric FAMAS. Next is my H&K pistol that came with the MP5. Next is a 1911. Next is a Walther brand, I don't know, P9 and an M9. Now I'm going to be telling you the FPSs of these guns. Okay, first 360, 275, 325, 225, 375, and 375. Okay, 275, 275, 125. That gun sucks. P9 to 275, and that M9 right there is 375 because that is gas. But yup, that's my airsoft collection, and I have 11 guns. And I should be getting a new G36C by this week, but I don't know. I have to see. That's my airsoft collection.